Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you a tutorial for making these beautiful notepads. So these would be great as additions in your journal, some extra writing space that you can offer for those who use your journals, or these would also be great items for craft fairs, and for just selling individually like these, or as a pack, or maybe add these to Happy Meal, or stuff like that. So I thought we will make one on camera. So for making this, what I have used is simple cardstock for the cover and a few A4 size papers for the gut of the book. So let's just make one together and I'll show you what I've done. So what you need is, first of all, you need your A4 size paper, regular A4 size, and you just fold it twice like this, right? And you cut along the crease, right? So each paper gives you 4 sections, like 4 sheets. Okay, so for each notepad I have used 16 of such sheets, so that would be just 4 A4 size papers. So this is the bulk you get, and it's a fairly good thickness, I feel. So this is what you have to prepare. You just need to fold your A4 size paper and cut along the creases. Okay, fairly simple. And then what I've done is I've just gone ahead and stapled it. Okay, and then you take a piece of cardstock. This is your regular 180, 200 GSM or 230 GSM cardstock. You could take any that you have lying around. These would be great for using up scraps also. Little pieces left over from different projects, you can use that. Okay, bigger scraps obviously. So this piece is approximately 10 and a quarter inches long and about 4 and a quarter inches in width. Now what I've done is I've just gone ahead and marked 2 creases here. Okay, scored it twice, one at 6 inches and then 6 and 1/8 maybe, just so you get a little spine when you put your notepad like that. Okay, so the idea is that you are able to see the waves that you create. So you have this like waterfall effect. Okay, so for that you need a shorter cover on the front, and then the waves that you're gonna make with this your gut of the notepad. So what you'll do basically is just take sections of the notepad. Okay, how many ever papers, that doesn't really matter, you don't need to count. Okay, so what you just do is you begin tearing. Okay, so that it shows under the front cover. Okay, and also another thing, we'll obviously cut the front cover also, so it has a wave on it as well. So you do that, and then you pick another bunch, a few sheets, and then you leave a little space and you tear again. Not necessary how how it looks and what kind of wave you're forming. So you just divide it into sections and tear it, leaving a little bit of space. So you get 4 different layers or 4 different waterfall waves. One more time. There you go. We'll just move this aside. Now what you need to do is we need to highlight the waterfall effect. Okay, so for that I'm just using distress oxide. Now this one is tumbled glass, just going with the theme. Okay, so you just take that and you take each layer of the wave that you have created and you just go over the edge and ink it. Like that. Then the next layer. You just do that with all the layers. It just brings out the notepad, makes it brighter, more interesting. You could even go over the sides, but I haven't done that for any of mine, but that is an idea, like inking on the sides. But I just wanted to keep it like a waterfall, so I didn't do it on the sides. You could if you wanted to. So there we have it. We have our notepad got ready. Okay, so for the cover, what you need is you just need to now make a little wave on the cover as well. So you take your scissors and just go and make a random cut like that. Okay, just like that, and this is done. We will ink this as well, highlight it. Right, so the inking job is finished. Let's just move that aside, and then we'll have to glue this in place. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so let's just glue that. So what I do is just a little bit of glue so that the last page sticks along, and also along the spine. Okay, just to give it more strength, nothing else. Just center it as best as possible. Okay, and then of course you also need a crease. Okay, so I have this embellishment piece that I'm going to glue here, so I'm just marking where I need to have a crease so it lifts. So I'll just okay, so there you have it. Now we'll simply ink this bit a little. This embellishment bit I have, it's a beautiful bird. Glue that down as well. Okay, there you have it. And then I have just used some kind of a washi tape just to make it, you know, cohesive. So you can do that. So I'm going to go with this one just to give it a bit more, you know, decorate it a little more. So what I like to do is add a string of glue. Is troubling a little bit. That's all right. Okay, add a tiny bit of glue and then just make sure that it's straight. Cut the excess off. Just glue this down as well. This is how I have made my notepads, and I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do, and leave a comment, like, share, and until we meet again next time, take care. Bye bye.